Chief Minister N. Birains alleges that those against demonetization are involved in corruption. Eleven-member team led by Parliamentary Standing Committee on Food, Consumer Affairs and Distribution Chairperson MP Divakar Reddy arrives in Imphal on a two-day visit. Mahud Minister Shyamkumar asserts women play a pivotal role in the development of a society. There can be no development without improving their economic condition. And officials of Department of Horticulture and Soil Conservation and farmers to participate at the 19th Organic World Congress. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News and I'm Premi Thangjam bringing you the top stories. Chief Minister N. Birains alleged that those who are against demonetization are all corrupted. He also reiterated that the government has plans to introduce a health insurance scheme to provide financial assistance of 2 lakh rupees to people living below poverty line from January 1st next year and pension schemes for the differently abled persons from December 3rd. The Chief Minister was speaking at the Yuva Sammilan organized by Bharatiya Janata Yuva Morcha, Manipur Pradesh at Lining Tho Pangamba Community Hall, Kundrakpam today. He also assured that free transportation will be provided to disabled students. He stressed a need for trust and cooperation in order to protect the integrity of the state. Birains expressed dissatisfaction at criticism even before the government has taken up any work. He said no one can stop the government from bringing the communities together and bringing about development of the poor. On the other hand, the Chief Minister also warned that the anti-BJP persons with fake accounts showing the party in bad lights on social media have been identified and will be arrested soon.
Kangbu karena laiba ya ada dengan saya sauna koror mayam hura laga koror mayam paisal laga skandal mayam dah channel mayam dunia usi laiba ya ada dengan demonetization ki against dharana tauni na taurai kangbu se hura anbasing dunia. Mamanga ki saya ini pu yang kaki matam dah Bharat ki sawu state sinda sakni ba beggar singna kar khama ka taubudo ni budo. Ngasi Prime Minister Modi ki sarkar laaba matungda samada tarada handagreba ngasi Manipur da sarkar se tha taret khata ngairi sahi 35 kun palakpadu ka compare to rodi mami tambada ngairi Manipur ki apun ma saktam se adum intact thamje haraba adu orgadi ekoi mi bu thagat pasu tamse mi bu thaje pasu tamse mi bu respect to pasu tamse.
Mahud Minister Thaunaucham Shyamkumar has asserted that women play a pivotal role in the development of a society and that there can be no development in the society without improving the economic conditions of women. Minister Shyamkumar was speaking at the one-day awareness campaign program on handlooms and handicrafts delivery at Mudra Loan Scheme at Yairipok, Laimanai Community Hall, organized by District Handlooms and Textiles Office, Imphal East District today. Shyamkumar also appealed the people to make use of the various schemes and loans provided by the government to improve the economy in a proper manner. The minister also distributed handlooms free delivery identity cards to weavers in Andhra constituency. Project manager of District Handlooms and Textiles Imphal East, P. Minakumari, spoke on the schemes taken up for the weavers. She spoke on how the weavers can get fibers and threads at home and the benefits of handlooms free delivery ID, while lead district manager UBI Imphal East and Ukrul spoke on how women weavers can avail loans under the Mudra scheme.
Kungangama madilam dam sakwa pavisi nupi mayam gi daite am zawi nupi mayam gi chan mayam gi semilon ji padragadi lepa ji sakwa yaroi aduna government na amadi bank sing na hariba awareness piri basida masana ningthina koi gi fee sariba amadi tongan ba makal khuding maki mana masing uba yeloiba okloiba magi chana simpham mayam tongan ba bank sing yaroga degi district ki officer sing yarokanda kungangi leiba nupi mayam promote tawna ba sakhona bagi adogi main theme da adi bandam da koi pangthok program ma fee saroi da meeting do di ma inkon ko mi inkon ko bagi oklo bagi yelo bagi pi tare dana fee sabe ka si pare kanda ma fee sa pisa lorga fee do sa daga de madu yam asoi bala yaba.
Chief Engineer, National Highways and Building (PWD) and Norin has announced that potholes on Tidim Road would be repaired by November 15 ahead of the Sangai Festival. Norin made the announcement during media interaction at PWD office today. He asserted the road repair works were halted due to the rains and bad weather conditions. He reiterated that his department is earnestly taking up strict measures to fill up potholes and repair the condition of roads and provide good roads for the public. Norin termed it unfortunate that some local dailies have published recently that there are around 20 potholes on the road from Imphal to Kaibul Lamjau at such a juncture when the department is putting sincere and all-out efforts to fill up and repair potholes on Tidim Road. He urged not to publish such demotivating information in the newspaper, which can tarnish the images of the engineers in the public when they are putting all-out efforts to complete the pending works due to the rains ahead of the festival. Norin pointed out that no appreciative information were shared in local dailies when the PWD engineers worked day and night sincerely during the Imphal Mau Road landslide to ensure essential commodities are reached on time. He is sure to repair potholes on Imphal Mau Road and Imphal More within the next 2 or 3 months. Norin also said efforts are on to convert the old Lokchau Bridge, which have been in existence since the Second World War, into a RCC bridge.
Akoi pothole se phane main ba horawni akoi na thabak si loksalak pa matam da handak ki chahi si loksalak pa matam da potholes ti asuki matik leirame potholes tawdre komjaw ngata leire haina ibirakpasi akhoi gi mit mai oijai haibabu akhoi na tauna karimta tawdaba dawna ibirakpasi akhoi da negative criticism oina ubi hanba akhoi na tawjariba afaba thabak tudi karimta utpi daba masmai na tawbasi akhoi gi engineer singda ningan naba praja singi mamangda ikai piba asigumbai mawngse aina department gi mahut chinjaraga yamna nungaitaba phawi.
8 officials of Department of Horticulture and Soil Conservation and 24 farmers of the state will participate for the first time in the 19th Organic World Congress to be held at Greater Noida from November 9th till 11th. Director of the Department of Horticulture and Soil Conservation, of the officials and the farmers from the department's office at Chanjin today. Speaking to media persons, Director K. Kipgin said participating in the Organic World Congress will not only help to gain more knowledge of the organic farming, but will also help promote organic products of the state. The Organic World Congress is held every 3 years in a different country. The aim of the Congress is to share experiences, innovations and knowledge about the organic world while giving the organizing country global visibility. Other related activities such as pre-conference and organic exhibition will be also held.
International level, the farming for interaction. I think this is the best opportunity to expose our farmers to international level. They will come to know how things are happening, and then kari says the sigumba organic se kaya mu important oige haido khoi farmers sing su khanga di tungge khoi yam kanaba malakani ministry na khoi the identified to khroba crop leibani cha how yaure the ginger, turmeric, the orange, kachai, lemon, the pineapple, umaroka sigisi in a processed form as well as fresh up pura other. We will try to show what we have achieved so far.
All Manipur DPC completed re-recruitment candidate of Manipur Police Constable Male 2013 batch has appealed for declaration of result before November 15th. Addressing media persons at Manipur Press Club, the president of the union, A. Binoy, warned the state government not to announce any DPC result before announcing the state DPC. He added Chief Minister of Manipur had announced not to take more than a day to pass files in every department, but his announcement is in vain as even after 2 months of the file has not been processed in the Home Department. Binoy alleged that the Chief Minister cannot keep his promise and demanded his resignation. He also warned of intense agitation and even the possibility of committing suicide if the state government remain indifferent to their issues and their demands are not fulfilled at the earliest.
High Court na tarak par rule gi matungina tha ani gi matung de inquiry report ama pikhalo haibani sarkar gi site ngasi phokta sarkar gi site gi tha ani hela phokta room bibi daba adegi mi jing magi committee sing gi jing du work tau dab sin maram organa masan haidu ki wafam du nga ibra ngak tabra haibase ngasi same site na amtang interest logbiu aduga ngak tabduna maram orkan da masana masa ngak thok sagi response du ngak sadragadi pham thawdo aninge.
Cleanliness campaign under Swachh Bharat mission kicked off at Lelong Nagar Panchayat Ward number 4 today. The campaign will go on till November 11th. Councillor and people from the Nagar Panchayat cleaned areas in and around the ward. A car rally carrying the message of cleanliness was also flagged off to mark the day. MLA of Lamsang constituency cum chairman of Manipur Handloom and Handicrafts Development Corporation Limited, S. Rajan appealed the people of Manipur to use indigenous clothes instead of the imported ones today. He was speaking at the inaugural of Special Handlooms Expo 2017 organized by Manipur Handloom and Handicrafts Development Corporation Limited at GM Hall to be held till November 21st. Speaking further, Rajan said the government of India is making all-out efforts to promote the indigenous Manipuri handlooms by sanctioning various financial schemes. He added the state government led by Chief Minister Biren is also making out all efforts to let the people of the state use the indigenous handloom products. He asserted if the efforts pay off, women weavers of the state will not face any further inconveniences while selling their finished products, and it will be a big boost in the economic development of the state. On the other hand, many clothes are being imported from outside for using in the state. He asserted using one's own products would prevent outflow of the state's economy.
mayam sing asi aikoi na puthok chaba aikoi ki production na season na ro weragadi aikoi ki paisa mayam ma mapan da expose tori ba aikoi na mapan da chalali ba paisa mayam thadoi ba aikoi na ngasi wari si kari da wari no sa na no chinja ka set na ba phi gai de aikoi na mapan da paisa aspi mati expel to we sigum mayam sing ase aikoi na agriculture farming bhajana dauraba helum na aikoi isana season na ri phi mayam sing ase helum na product over mayam do season na ba ngam kanda da aikoi ki Manipur da sen tu ki lo pagalakani aikoi mi kudingi economic aikoi lai income ki source ma yamna chawna mati.
People affected by the Loktak Power Station Ithai Barrage project under National Hydropower Corporation NHPC staged a sit-in at Ithai Community Hall and demonstrated a rally in and around Ithai Barrage, demanding adequate compensation for the affected families today. The protesters also warned of destroying the Ithai Barrage if NHPC do not look into the matter and take up necessary measures within 10 days.
Asoiba mayam ama akhoi awat pa mayam se men khapiu haiba matam da Loktak project na tabi daba contact basis ta mi hapat matam da su atopa sai te goi na happy ba akhoi gi lamdam si gi Thai various na su aliba magi manak ta leiba happy daba moi se mafam sida thambagi mathau tadre aduna Loktak project se yariba makhai di athuba matam da thugai ba haiba khongjang asida imai ben mayam na amma toina lemnari.
Haumi Research Guild in a press release strongly condemned the Scheduled Tribe Demand Committee Manipur's demand for inclusion of Meitei or Meitei community in the Scheduled Tribe list. Executive Committee of Haumi Research Guild suspects hidden agenda behind their demand and hence appeal not to entertain their demand. All India Tazim-e-Insaf Manipur State Council in a press release said a 25-members team led by State Secretary Mohammad Sagir Ahmad had left Imphal today to take part in the All India Dharna organized by All India Tazim-e-Insaf in front of Delhi Parliament on November 13. The Dharna is being organized against Narendra Modi-led NDA government, alleging its governance of being anti-minorities, anti-national and anti-people by breaking Indian constitution's secularism. The team will also take part in a National Council meeting ahead of the Dharna. Sahitya Thopanglup Imphal in a press release said Thiam Lairik Macha International Award 2017 awarded every 2 years will be bestowed to Thokchom Anil Kishan of Bangladesh. The award will be given during the 4 days Imphal Literature Festival to be held from November 17 till 20th. Time for a small commercial break. Coming up after the break is all Manipur Police Constable Male Civil Viva Vosi completed candidates to call 84 hours bond and blockade from 10 November. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back after the break and you're watching Prime Time English News. All Manipur Police Constable Male Civil Viva Voice completed candidates 2016 10+2 fresh batch has called banned and blockade from 5 a.m. of 10 November till 5 p.m. 13 November. General Secretary of the JAC Mani Chandra Channabam made the announcement to the media persons at the Manipur Press Club today. It may be mentioned that the JAC warned of intense agitation in September if the result was not declared by November 4th.
अखोगी अपॉइंटमेंट पियु उनसी हाइबा अखोगी वफम कयाम थमग्रे ऑनरेबल चीफ मिनिस्टर ना मीडिया की ममांगदा कयामा वफम थमिख्रे मदुदी अखोगी एजिटेशन लाक्ट्रिंगाइदा अकन बखोंजंग लाक्ट्रिंगाइदा माग उनबा उनाहुजी हाना मांगजों उना हाइबा वफम हम थमग्रे अदु ngasi फाव अखोगी वफम जी ताबिद्रे अदुना अखोगी नवेम्बर की डेट 4 फाव मनुंगदा थबक सी हाइदोक पियु हाइना अखोई डेडलाइन थाजखिमनि अदुबु अखोई गवर्नमेंट की साइड तगी ngasi फाव रेस्पॉन्स हम लाक्ट्रमना लाक्लिबा नवेम्बर की डेट 10 की अयुक पुंग मंगा दगी होरगा डे 13 की पुंग मंगा फावबा नुमदांग वारम की बन ब्लॉकेट न चिंगबा अकन बखोंजंग चिंगी चिलनाव सिंजिगा खुसमनरगा कोई चंगजलने हाबसे कोई ngasi मीडिया की मांगदा.
An 11-member team led by Parliamentary Standing Committee on Food, Consumer Affairs and Distribution Chairperson MP Divakar Reddy arrived to Imphal today on a two-day visit. Replying to the media queries at Imphal International Airport, Divakar Reddy said the team will inspect if PDS items had reached the beneficiary and if FCI had been carrying out their work in a proper manner. He said that they will also look over the computerization of the targeted public distribution system TPDS. The team will meet Manipur Chief Secretary and will discuss on import and distribution of PDS items, TPDS, etc. The team will also hold meeting with the representatives of Bureau of Indian Standards, Food Corporation of India and Central Warehousing Corporation during their stay in Manipur.
See, we have already recommended consumer forum must be there to the Prime Minister. Prime Minister has also agreed. See, especially adulteration and all those things, we have to look into it. We are particular about the adulteration. The review there, Assam 100% computerization has taken. I don't know about this place. I have to see tomorrow and today.
Scuffles erupted at National Institute of Technology, Manipur, Langol, over the demand for more security at the institute. A police personnel who was injured in an attempt to control the students has been admitted to state hospitals. The protest was initiated by students of the institute from outside the state at around 2 this afternoon. Sources said there was a fight between some students from outside the state and people of the area outside the college campus yesterday. However, the police managed to resolve the fight. It is said the students started protesting in front of the administrative block without giving any reason at noon today. Later on, Lamphal police intervened and tried to take the students towards their hostel as they began to agitate inside the block. However, scuffles broke out as students started pelting stones at the police personnel. The institute's bus and hostel window panes were destroyed in the incident. Later, SP Imphal West Police arrived and came to an understanding with the students. Delegates of Iowa India Manipur who are to participate in the grand finale of Iowa India pageant 2017 from December 4 to 9 at Mumbai took out a rally under the theme Stop Domestic Violence, Child Labor, Child Abuse and Encourage Women Empowerment. The rally started from Kangla and concluded at Imphal Sporting Club opposite Chairap Court Complex. Various placards were also used during the rally.
Delegates sing na arrange sojaba rally neba haidi moi masana contestant taruk chakadobne Manipur dagi delegates taruk moi initiate oraga we have to go for a rally towards the society so that we can give the message Iowa gi beauty pageant singi han baw in Manipur dagi Mrs. amadi merit Mr. se sida participate ogani ba adusu national pan India level da ko ani mana unmerit ne haidi Mr. ama Miss ama ko aduga nupa ani mana merit ani maga nupi ani merit aduga moi taruk represent ogodam.
Moirangthip Sophia from Maklang Makhalaikai alleged that her husband assaulted her for not bearing a child. Speaking to media persons at Manipur Press Club today, Moirangthip Sophia said she married Moirangthip Samananda in 2010. She alleged that her husband and father-in-law began torturing her after 2 years of marriage. She said that there were even times she fled to her parents at Kontauja Makhalaikai. Sophia alleged that her husband terribly assaulted her and threatened to kill her with an axe on September 26 this year. Unable to bear the harassment, she fled the house. Soon her husband husband came after her, dragged her inside a vehicle and pushed her at the courtyard of her parents' place. She said she was admitted to RIMS hospital as she was severely injured and was later shifted to Advanced Hospital. The next day, on September 27, Samananda was arrested by Patsoi Women Police and she filed a report at the police station, but soon Samananda was released on bail. Sophia said she had already lodged a complaint with the Manipur State Commission for Women today. She said she is terrified to go back to her husband's house again. She appealed the authority concerned to take befitting action against her husband.
ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯅꯨꯄꯥꯁꯤꯅ ꯑꯩꯁꯦ ꯑꯣꯠꯇꯅ ꯅꯩꯗꯅ ꯇꯧꯔꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯑꯩꯗꯤ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯍꯟꯖꯟꯅꯔꯒ ꯅꯨꯄꯥꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯅꯥꯛꯇ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯉꯝꯃꯔꯣꯏ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯅꯨꯄꯥꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯐꯪꯐꯝ ꯊꯣꯛꯄꯗꯨꯁꯨ ꯐꯪꯍꯟꯕꯤꯔꯣ ꯏꯖꯠ ꯗꯥꯕꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯅꯨꯄꯤꯗ ꯑꯣꯠꯄ ꯅꯩꯕꯒꯤ ꯃꯍꯥꯛꯄꯨ ꯗꯟꯗꯤ ꯄꯤꯕꯤꯌꯨ.
Imphal East Police conducted a cordon and search operation at Lamlong Kaithale ahead of the Sangai Festival 2017 today. The team led by DSP Commando L. Debin under the supervision of SP Imphal East Kabib K conducted the operation this evening around 4. Altogether, 245 persons including women were verified during the operation. Commando Thawbal arrested a sergeant of KYKL today. The sergeant is identified as Sorokaibam and Chongtham Ongbi Omita alias Memcha, wife of CH Lukhoi from Chaiden, Awang Laikai. She was arrested from her house. A team of Imphal West Commando conducted door-to-door search operation at Thangmaiban, Khomdram, Selung Balaikai ahead of the Sangai Festival 2017 today. The team led by DSP Operation MPS Tangkochon under the supervision of SP Imphal West conducted the operation from 5:30 to 6:45 this morning. Around 350 persons were verified during the operation. On the other hand, Imphal West Police conducted a cordon and search operation at Masjid Road, Pauna Bazaar. The team under the supervision of SP Imphal West conducted the operation from 3 in the afternoon for about 30 minutes. Commuters and passers-by were verified during the operation. A media sensitization workshop in relation with the second phase of intensified mission Indradhanush program was held at the conference hall of Family Welfare Department today. Delivering the keynote address, Joint Director of Family Welfare Department, Thokchom Nandakishore, asserted that Manipur was able to move ahead in various parameters of this mission as compared to this other state of India, and that is not possible without the effort of media persons and the people of Manipur. He said out of the targeted 3,104 children for the vaccination, 20% were administered vaccines in the first phase, and that the mission aims to administer vaccines to 90% of the target in the third phases. He said for the pregnant women, 25% were vaccinated in the first phase, while they set target of 100% target in the remaining phases. He added target has been set to eradicate smallpox disease by 2020.
Intensified mission Indradhanush mamangi first round da akoina se angang se lising ahumga chamaga mari target vaccination taunaba thamki maduda chaurakna 20% full immunization phangki adu lakadoriba round ahum jigi manungda chaurakna chamada chama yaudarga chu chamada maudra mukti ngambi yayena khali aduga miron bigidi handaki round sida haibadi first round haukibaduda 25% gamba koi achieve tauki aduga lemhoriba round sida chama vaccination tawbangangani haidana akoina pandam thamli.
Thongju Kendra Women Development Labour Union under the aegis of the Labour Department and Manipur Building and Under Construction Workers Welfare Board launched a 3-month-long embroidery training program at Kongman Zone 1 today. 200 women participants are taking part in the program. Imphal East Deputy Commissioner T.H. Chitra, Chairman of Manipur Building and Other Workers Welfare Board S. Presiojit and many other people attended the inaugural day of the training program. Manipur Photography Club Delhi unit organized a 3-day national photography exhibition for the second time during the 5th edition of Northeast Festival held at IGNCA, Janpat, Delhi. The National Photography Exhibition entitled Euphoric 2.0 showcased arrays of 90 photographs exhibiting the lifestyles, racial features, food, cultural dance forms, etc. from various northeastern regions of the country. The enthralling exhibition was organized under the initiatives of members of Manipur Photography Club, Delhi Unit, Nirjain Sharma, Dinendra Hijam and Kapil Nauram. Website of Tantra Hotel Kurai Ahongailerag was launched today. The website was launched to provide online room booking and online payment facilities and to promote hospitality in the state. And now the sports news. Chandigarh has won the Sub-Junior Girls National Football Championship. In the final split today at Kuman Lampak Sports Complex Main Stadium, Chandigarh beat Manipur 3-1 and won the championship title. For the winners, Anju netted 2 goals in the 12th and 90 plus 2 minutes of the match, while Pooja netted a goal in the 68th minute of the match. While the lone goal of the Manipur was netted by Linda Combe in the 90 plus 2 minutes of the match. 21 teams from different parts of the state took part in the football championship organized by All Manipur Football Association under the aegis of All India Football Federation. Minister T.H. Shyamkumar, Minister Letpa Hawkib and many dignitaries of All Manipur Football Association were present on the concluding day of the championship. El Sarita, Sonia Lathar and Lovelina Burgohen have entered the semi-finals of the Asian Women's Boxing Championship at Ho Chi Minh City in Vietnam yesterday. By reaching the last 4th stage, all 3 boxers assured themselves of medals. Sarita, former world champion in 64 kg category, defeated Mafnu Nokon Miliva of Uzbekistan, while Sonia in 57 category age past Kazakhstan, Nazim Ishanova in the quarterfinals. Burgohen in 69 kg category defeated Ardiniota Egbartar of Mongolia by a unanimous decision. Olympic medalist Mary Kom Siksha in the 54 kg category and Priyanka Chaudhary in the 60 kg category booked their places in the semi-finals on Saturday. 5-time world champion Mary Kom in the 48 kg category will face Japan's Tsubasa Komura in the semi-final tomorrow. Before we end the primetime bulletin, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Chief Minister N. Biren's alleges that those against demonetization are involved in corruption. Eleven-member team led by Parliamentary Standing Committee on Food, Consumer Affairs and Distribution Chairperson MP Divakar Reddy arrives in Imphal on a 2-day visit. Mahood Minister Shyamkumar asserts women play a pivotal role in the development of a society. There can be no development without improving their economic condition. And officials of Department of Horticulture and Soil Conservation and farmers to participate at the 19th Organic World Congress.